Bill Gates was invited by a high school to give a lecture. He arrived by helicopter, took the paper from the pocket where he had written some items. He read everything in less than 5 minutes, was applauded for more than 10 minutes non-stop, thanked him, and left in his helicopter. What was written is very interesting. Number one, life isn't easy. Get used to it. Number two, the world is not concerned about your self esteem. The world expects you to do something useful for it before you feel good about yourself. Number three, you will not earn $20,000 a month once you leave school. You won't be vice president of a company with a car and phone available until you have managed to buy your own car and phone. If you find your teacher rude, wait until you have a boss. He will not feel sorry for you. Number five, selling old newspapers or working while on vacation is not beneath your social standing. Your grandparents have a different word for it. They call it opportunity. Number six, if you fail, it's not your parents' fault. So do not whine about your mistakes. Learn from them. Number seven, before you were born, your parents weren't as critical as they are now. They only got that way from paying your bills, washing your clothes, and hearing you say they are ridiculous. Number nine, life is not divided into semesters. You won't always have summers off, and it is unlikely that other employees will help you with your tasks at the end of each term. Number 10. Television is not a real life. In real life, people have to leave the bar or the club and go to work. Thank you.